Hello, thank you for watching. So far, the comments have been positive. Yesterday, I uploaded, however, it was voiceless. So I am forced to do a voiceover, and I am sorry, apologize for that if the lips doesn't sync with my voice. But I recently went to Crate Barrel and they have sale. I purchased this insert. I really like them. One is for the living rooms and the color match my color scheme, right? So I purchased this one for $35 and that one was $8 or $15. I think today we are going to do my room, and I believe here we are talking about duvet. I love duvet, the fluffiness of it all. It makes you feel like you're in a hotel all the time, and I love them. Okay, so we also want to make myself breakfast because every Saturday I make myself breakfast, and today you get to see that. It's like a love letter to myself. It is my way of thanking myself for keeping me alive and staying out of trouble. So here's the beautiful view. Here is duvet number 1. Placing it right there. Do you guys love that color scheme? Or it's so beautiful to me. And here I am in my bedroom. I love it. Oh, this is where I just come to relax. I love this room. So here I am doing my room, and I'm placing the first duvet. I'm correcting the first duvet. Can I say it is not easy? Let me be honest. Duvet, filling them up with comforters, putting them in the room, especially if you're trying to have that luxurious but hotel feel like design, it is not easy to achieve. They are heavy. This one specifically is heavy because there's another duvet inside of it, right? The duvet are from West Elm, both of them. And the insert, the comforter insert is from Macy's. The pillowcase are also from West Elm. I think the one on the left is from Crate and Barrel. They are not matched. They are different pattern. Yes, as I was saying, it's not easy. I see people do it 1, 2, 3, but it's not easy. It takes a lot of practice. As you can see here, I had a design in my head and I had to change it because it doesn't fit. So, but this one works perfectly and I love it. Look at that. I think I did a good job. And I'm sitting here enjoying my hard work and explaining to you how hard it was and how the color scheme matched my painting. And now we are going to the kitchen to make breakfast. But have a quick look. Also guys, please subscribe and like the video. As you can see, there's a lot of work and it encourages me to continue making content. I know it's not the best out there, but I am trying. You gotta work with what you have. Please subscribe and like and comment. It will mean the world to me. Here I am making beignet breakfast. Basically what I did is the beignet recipe, the Haitian beignet recipe. I tweak it a little bit and I make French toast with it. You know, it's the basic: eggs, milk, salt, sugar, brown sugar, heavy cream, and I add a little bit of whiskey. This are from El Salvador whiskey. This is adding sugar, the brown sugar. So those are the French toast. You just dump it in there, soak it real good, but don't let it be soggy. Repeat it over and over for all the batches. So I add a little bit of butter in my cast iron. I love cooking with cast iron. Who else love cooking with cast iron? Do you guys see the print, the picture? Ooh, I love me some picture in the freaking kitchen. So beautiful and nice. Shout out to my candle because I love putting a candle when I'm cooking. And it's almost over. If you guys know this scent, Coconut Warm and Sand by Bath and Work, BW I believe, it's really take you to a different era. Like you're on vacation on an island, drinking your favorite drink. It's a mood, okay? So now we cut in the strawberries. I didn't know the strawberry took that long to cut. But yeah, so we flip in them. You see how thick? Ooh. They were so thick and juicy. Now I want to eat it again because it's Sunday. I ate it yesterday, which was Saturday. So we are cutting our avocado. This avocado been in my fruit basket for the past 5 days. I'm surprised it's still good. I had to take some out because of the dark part. But we make it work because right now I am trying to not waste food and use the food that I have at home to cook. And cutting onion and my parsley and cilantro. Yep. A little bit of cherry tomatoes. Lime, and I am going to mash it. Pouring all of it back into the bowl. Add some lime juice. Salt, a little bit of pepper, and mix it. And I promise you, it tastes so good. So good. I'm using my omelet ring. I told you I use whatever I have to make do. And now I'm putting the goat on top. I had a little bit of goat meat. I told you I'm trying to use everything in my fridge and not waste any food. So, yeah. Now I'm putting the goat meat on top. And this is a spicy pickled onion. If you're Haitian, that's pickly zoyon. And I circle it around it. Wipe it off. I also got this bowl from Crate and Barrel. It's their new line that just came out for the spring collection. I like the black, but the white is also looking amazing. It's like a linen color. I'm also going to buy the white one because I feel like food gonna look amazing in it. Here is the marinade. It's like a fritter. And here are my thick, juicy French toast. They seriously don't need no syrup, no excess, just fruits. And I'm gonna put fruits all over it. Strawberry. I should have put mango too, because I think I have a mango that's going bad in my fruit basket, but I didn't. I'm just laying out the cute strawberries. They're so sweet. I'm hungry again. And I'm gonna add a little bit blueberries. Fun fact, the smaller the blueberry, the firmer it is, the sweeter it is. You can fight me on it, but this is my take. If it's small, it tastes better. But if it's big, it's a little bit soggier. And look at that. I mean, look, I did so good. This is the way I think myself. This is my love letter to myself. So now we're gonna do a taste test. I'm putting, yes. Oh my God. And this is me saying I love myself for this meal. I mean, so good. And look at that view. Oh my God. Yeah. It was so good by that time. I didn't know what to do with myself. And I'm gonna taste the French toast. Don't worry about my table etiquette thing. Like, come on, we're just eating good food here. You can see I said, oh my God. And there's a reason for that. It's like a little bit of rum, a little bit of saltiness, a little bit of creamy, a little bit of banana. You remember the banana that I put in there? And the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Oh my God. And the saltiness of the salsa. Okay, I think I need to let me stop talking, because right now, yes, girl, eat that food. And we have a view again. Yes. I mean, you know what? Next time you're in a restaurant, just, if you think I'm lying, think of me, please think of me, and order French toast and have a little bit of guac with it. But make sure the guacamole is spicy. And you will see what I'm saying. It really is divine. I'm not making this up. Just trust me on it. I was so excited to talk about this food. Yes. Sometimes I feel like I don't deserve this life, but somehow, some way, I'm blessed with it. This is the wonder of God. Yes. I wish this life on all my viewers, for you to get to sit at a table, eat your favorite meal, dance to your favorite tune. This is what I wish for all of you. Thank you. Please subscribe.